Good evening, partners. My name is Juan David Lozano, and today's lesson is about past simple. That is the topic that I have chosen. So I think it's pretty simple to understand if we take in account two things. But first of all, we have to make a difference between a regular verb and an irregular verb. This is very important because when we create a sentence in past, we can add two letters when it's a regular verb, which is, in this case, work. You only say E and D. I worked. And the difference, if this is a regular verb, you only have to change the form between present and make it in past to write down the verb in past, in the form past. So this is very important. And also, one thing that you must use when you are creating a negative sentence and a question, which is the auxiliary did. So I can take advantage of this. First of all, making a difference between regular and irregular. And keep in mind, guys, when you have a regular verb, it keeps the root. It means, so in this case, the root is work. And in past, you only have to say worked. That means that you add two letters. Those letters are E and D. And it's the same thing in participle, which is the difference when you are using an irregular verb. So in this case, you have in present, go, joy, and in past, which is our topic, is I went. So keep that in mind. So now we can put some practice that I have developed in this course, which is like you can use some exercise like this, and it's also for free. You can see the person who developed this website is Seonet. You can contact her, and she creates these examples, these exercises, so you can create a negative sentence and also questions. So look, the first exercise is to say I. We have a blank space, and we have to create a negative sentence. So you can say I any bird last night. So that means you have to say no in a sentence. So remember, our auxiliaries in this case, in past simple, the only auxiliary that you have to use always is did. So you must say I did not drink. So our sentence will say I did not drink any beer last night, which in Spanish would be yo no bebí ninguna cerveza anoche. So now the second exercise is she, blank space, get on. And then the bus in the center of the city. So we can say, in this case, it's not a negative sentence and it's not a question. So we have to go back to the first explanation and remember that we have two types of verbs. So in this case, get is an irregular verb. So if we don't know the form of get in past, we can look in internet. There are a lot of websites that you can find thousands of verbs, irregular verbs, in the three forms. And those are present, past, and participle. In this case, I know what is the form. So she got on the bus in the center of the city. Ella se subió al bus en el centro de la ciudad. That would be the meaning in Spanish. So I think it's pretty nice. You also can use videos, like in this case, we have NBig. This is a video from YouTube. It's pretty cool. It's pretty nice. You can learn a lot from native people. You can also take into account things like time markers, like words that means that you are doing something in the present, in the past, in the future. Let's say you can have 3 words like today, that means you are doing something in the present. But if you say yesterday, that means that you are doing something in the past. But if you change the word, and if you say tomorrow, that means you're something in the future. So that changes our topic, which is the principal word that you have to keep in mind is yesterday. That means it's in the past. It's in the past. The sentence that you are writing, you're typing or saying is in the past. So you can use these kind of videos. You also can practice your skills in these kind of exercises. And please keep in mind the types of verbs. So you have a regular verb and an irregular verb. So it's pretty important to keep in mind, guys. So I think it is very useful, and you can use them every time you are creating, making negative statements, questions, or just saying something affirmative. So thank you guys for your attention. I hope you have a pretty good night, and see you next time. Bye bye.